Good afternoon, dear YouTubers. Today I want to show you how you can fix just such an error in just a minute, which you can when you try to start a program or game. It sounds like this could not continue executing the code because the system did not find FX-VCRUNTIME140.dll. To fix the problem, try reinstalling the program or another variation. The program cannot be started because FX-VCRUNTIME140.dll is missing on the computer. Try reinstalling the program. I must say right away that you don't need to get upset here, everything will be fixed quickly, you just need the internet and magic commands. Your system has a built-in package manager called Wingit that allows you to install programs from the internet through a terminal. But before that, you need to find out the bitness of your version of Windows. To do this, launch the terminal in administrator mode. The system info command will come to the rescue. After its execution, you should find the processor and system type fields. If you see the number 64 here, then the bit depth is Windows x64. If you see 86 or x32, then the bit depth is 32-bit. These data are necessary to download the correct version of the program to fix the error with the FX-VCRUNTIME140.dll library. Now just type the Wingit command to check that it is present on the system. You will see the shared keys available. The first thing you should do is to send a request to the Microsoft repository to see what versions of Microsoft Visual C++ are available. Installing it fixes the problem. Run the command, like me, it will be on the site at the link in the description. As you can see, there are several in the Microsoft Visual C++ repository. I will be interested in Microsoft VCRUNTIME 2015 plus x64 of the 14th version. I don't know when you watch the video, there will be the newest anyway. Now run the command to install Microsoft VCRUNTIME 2015 plus. It will also be in the article at the link in the description. Wingit goes to the repository, it will show you a direct link to the setup file. It will download it and launch the Microsoft VCRUNTIME 2015 plus setup wizard. The installation will take place automatically. Enter the AppWiz CPL command to open programs and features. Find Microsoft VCRUNTIME 2015 plus in the list. Now it remains only to restart your system and you will no longer receive an error with the absence of the FX-VCRUNTIME140.dll library. You can try to restart the game or program that caused the crash. That's all for me. I hope you were satisfied and it was not for long. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put likes, it is very motivating for further help.